Hello guys, this is Pro Media. On today's video, I will show you how we achieved this amazing studio portraits with just 3 lights with cone as our key lights. So if you're interested in knowing how we shot this fantastic image, which is just a cone as our key lights, stay to the end of this video. Cheers.
My name is Liz Niner. I am from Enugu State and I'm a model, and I'm right here in Pro Media Studio for a photo shoot. I know it's gonna be lively and it's gonna be worth it, so you guys stay tuned.
So guys, I will use this cone. Is it now you noticed I've been smiling? Did I say what? That one will soon happen. Very soon. Very soon. So a friend of mine reached out to me that she is in town and she would want to do some creative shoots in the studio. So I invited her over for us to create something here. Then along the line, my parabolic umbrella, my octavus started having issue, developed fault, so I had to switch to cone. So today I will show you guys how we shot this, the light setup we used to achieve this fantastic image. So stay tuned. My key light is AD600 in a cone, the big cone. Then my backlight, I just used 3 lights in this shot. My backlight is AD200 in a small cone, my headlights. Then I had another AD200 that I faced to the background that is giving me this effect. So that's the 3 lights I used for this shoot. How about if I had the money myself? So why would I get married and Udum? I now have the money now, so why would I get married and Udum? No, you're not married. Okay, white young guy, and you are saying you gotta look for white old woman. It's not fair now. Jesus is Lord. I'm finished. Because I'm man, then what happened? And so what? Jesus Christ. I'm not buying that idea with you. Okay guys, we'll be using cone instead of normal diffuser. Just meaning small. No, this shoot is impromptu. Is it impromptu? I told you to come by 3. Maybe that Ibuzabin. That Ibuzabin is before Sam's Hotel.
Yeah, around that. Before that Sam. They don't do for the day.
Yeah. I attended the one they did at the base. That was last 2 years, last year.
What's that name again? Okay.
Kismira.
How do you do that?
Is it fun? Okay, I'm testing. So guys, I will start with shooting the backlights. I'm shooting with Nikon. Is it Nikon? See me now, I'm mad. I'm going mad. I'm shooting with Nikon EOS R5. Oh, sorry, Canon EOS R5. Hello guys. And so I will off my backlights. My backlight is channel B, right? No, my backlight is D. So I will just off my key lights to start with. So I will just leave only the backlights and take the shot so you guys see what it looks like. So you see what I'm not shooting full at the moment to start with. I'm not starting with full, but I love your composure. I like the way you were before. That way you were before, I like it. Yeah. So guys, take a look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, but I need to get it centralized. I'm sorry I'm taking your time. All these ones I've been taking is real picture. Step forward. I do this way. Okay, step slightly. Yeah, cool. All right. I do this way. Do you know? Okay. So currently I will turn on the backlights. The backlight that has gel. Yeah, I'll turn it on. Okay. 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 So I think I need to reduce it. So now I will introduce my key lights, which is AD600. I like this picture. It's turning out nice. Yeah. I want you to do something like this. I want you to face this way. Okay, let's go. Okay. Sorry, let's do it again. I don't like the way your hand is blocking. Take it this way. Hey, cool, perfect. Yeah, love that. Then can you try your body this way? The same way you got here, cool. Afo? And see what we have. So to know if you are making a progress or it's low. Jesus, I love that pose. And he gave it a different feel that I love. I love this. So this was the original when the lights came on. Yeah, but then when the lights went off, I love this. I didn't get what I want. Look at me. Open your eyes. Try and face this way. Yeah, chin up. Okay. Just don't close your eyes. Don't close your eyes. Yes. Don't close your eyes. It's too bent. I think you're adjusted, yeah? Can we do, there's this thing I wanted us to do without the chair anyway. I wanted to have cast a very heavy shadow behind the bag. Okay. Okay, let's just stand in. Remove the chair. Okay, adjust this way a little bit. Sorry. It's too much. Go back. Just adjust a little bit. Yeah. So, yeah, I want emotion. Yeah. So let me streak the first one. This guy not giving me what I want. I shall work with this. Okay, let's do 1, 2, ready, go. I didn't see. You walk, then you fling your clothes. This is your jacket. You get. I don't know. That thing is in my head. But then you walk. You get. It's emotion stuff. So, 1, 2, ready, go. Not really. Nah. Okay, let's go. Sorry. Okay, let's go. There you push. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, let me off this guy again. 1, 2, ready, go. That guy adds energy to the shot. Can you do something else aside from that? I think we are good aside that. Okay, thank you for watching to the end of this video. You can watch some of the JPEGs we achieved in the course of this shoot. So if you have any question or something you don't understand that's confusing you, feel free to ask your question in the comment section. Then if you want to know how we edited these images, how we fixed the background, the color grading, the screen retouching, you have a link below where we talked full detailed explanation of how to edit pictures in the description below. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography tips. Cheers.